What's up? We're back in Joe's mom's kitchen. Today we're making a little snack. We're gonna make some candied nuts. I'm using pecans. Feel free to use walnuts or whatever else you want. Ooh, it's hot. What you need to crack an egg. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed for the first time. So look out, you just need the egg white. So you're gonna give it a crack. Catch the yolk in your hand. I messed up. I got yolk in there. Cracking an egg like a normal person, you just need the egg white. Little trick. Just back and forth and back. The yolk from the white, just like that. Boom. You're gonna take just a splash of water and a little tablespoon of vanilla. And then you're gonna dump them in there. And just mix it up. Cool. While the pecans are sitting in there, white sugar, I don't know, like a quarter cup, between a half cup and a quarter cup, third cup. Brown sugar, same thing. Some cinnamon, however much you want. I love cinnamon. Pinch of salt. You're gonna mix it. Okay, so you're gonna take your nuts. I don't see any dry ones. In you go with that. Box. And take your baking tray. Lay it out. We're gonna do it at 350, and every 15 minutes or so, we're gonna go in there and give these a stir. And you see you got this big mound of sugar, and you're gonna give it a nice stir. And back in. Help me out. How do you say this nut? Is it pecan? Is it pecan? Nice candy on that. Another 15. And they're golden. Nice. Perfectly toasted. And you're just gonna leave these out to cool and then just store them in a mason jar or a Ziploc bag or a Tupperware or your mouth, wherever you want to store them, store them. You gotta tell me how to say that word. Pecan, pecan, peckin. I vote for peckin. Food dude!